El Guapo goes to Peru!
Hello, and welcome to the El Guapo Science Show. I am standing in a wonderful place. It's called Machu Pichu in the country of Peru. And it looks like the land of ferocious beasts like the jaguar. Machu Picchu is a city that was built high above Peru in a gorgeous mountain range called the Andes Mountains. The city was built by an ancient people called the Incas just over 600 years ago. Ancient means very old. The Incas were a very powerful people. The city is almost 8,000 feet above sea level. That is over a mile in the sky. If you ever get a chance to visit Machu Picchu, you'll probably get to see alpacas. Monkeys will be visiting you on the trail to the city. If you are lucky, you will even get to see sloths like this little girl. There's also a huge bird called the Andean condor that is one of the largest flying birds in the world. Make sure you don't wander out at night though, because there are creatures just like the jaguar. And I'm so glad that El Guapo and I got to visit. He is always wandering about, getting to know people. Here he comes. Hey, El Guapo. Hola, chicos. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa means what's up? Or what is happening? Can you say ¿Qué pasa with me? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? So, where were you this time? I was over there watching some people dance. Okay. Check out some of the moves I saw. Cool. While I was there, I bought this really cool type of flute from a street vendor called a pan flute. It is made out of hollow type of plant called bamboo. If you blow across the tops of these, they will make sounds. The longer the bamboo, the deeper the sound is. The shorter the bamboo, the higher pitch the sound makes. Listen. Yeah, higher pitch. Would you like me to show you what sound is? Sure. Would you guys like that, kids? Okay. This sounds like a great experiment. Did you know that sound is nothing more than vibrations? If you vibrate anything, you will hear a sound. Everybody, put your hands to your throat and make different sounds. Can you feel the vibrations? These vibrations are because you are making your vocal cords vibrate and move. Oh, cool. Now everybody change the pitch of the sound like this. The pitch gets higher as you are tightening your vocal cords. When the pitch goes lower, you are making your vocal cords looser and longer. Check out these aluminum rods. I am going to rub tree sap on this. All right. So that it is a little sticky. Now watch when I rub my fingers. Listen. Ooh, kind of hard on my ears. Isn't that awesome? It is so loud. Because the rod is vibrating, it's moving back and forth very quickly. It is so cool. Check it out. Now, let's vibrate a shorter rod. We gotta rub some tree sap on it. See how the pitch is higher? Can you guess what will happen to the sound if we go even shorter? That's right, it will get higher and higher and higher. It kind of hurts your ears even if you're not careful. Look at Mr. Weir, close his ears. This is so cool. When I blow on this pan flute, it vibrates the air. And a beautiful sound comes out. You can see on my flute that it has many different sizes. Each size has its own sound. Listen. Really cool, huh? Is there any way that these students can make their own pan flute? Of course. On the El Guapo show, the kids can always do the experiments. Remember, doing science is much more fun than just listening to the science.
Yep, doing science is way
All the
more
students
fun.
need are a few things. Plastic Bic pens, 3, 4, 5, 6, it doesn't matter. You will need some tape, some scissors, some pencil erasers from old pencils. Pause the video until you get all of the supplies. First, you need to take the Bic pen apart. All we want is the hollow pen. You might need your mama or your papa or a trusted grown-up to help you take the pen apart. Next, cut the pens to different lengths. On one side of each empty pen, stuff a pencil eraser into the bottom. Lastly, lay the pens side by side and tape them together. Chicos, check out my pan flute. Pretty cool, huh? It might take a little bit of practice, but tighten your bottom lip like this. And you're just going to put it on the bass and you're just going to blow across the top. Each pen and start practicing to make music. Make sure you play it often because I am sure your parents will love to hear you playing the flute. Right, parents? Every parent say C. C means yes. C.
So boys and girls, if you like what you saw and want to do more science, give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Wow, El Guapo, I didn't know it was so easy to make a homemade flute. Qué guay. Remember, qué guay means how cool. Well, kids, become practice, and I hope you become professional pan flute players someday. Hey, El Guapo, I have been the one picking all of the places that we should visit so far. Would you like to pick a place this time?
Oh, sí. And gracias. Gracias means thank you. Can you all say gracias with me? Gracias. I haven't been to Chile before. Have you?
Actually, no, I haven't. Would you like to take the kids on a trip to Chile?
Sí. I want to see a cave called the Milodon. Can we go there?
Sure. I haven't been there before, so let's go and take a look. See you in Chile.
Yeah, see ya. Hasta luego, chicos. Remember, if you enjoyed this presentation of the El Guapo Science Show, please subscribe, like, and share so that other kids can enjoy it too.